today I wanted to see that, assuming that we have received a product, okay, that product, we see that nowhere else means like, the product is not set up in the master data or anything. It should have some kind of, controls, and it should land into the red zone area. Okay. So that's what we wanted to see that. Okay. We wanted land that product such a way that, okay, even weight also. Okay. That means system should look into every bin area, but if you can't find it, system end into red zone area. Okay. I will try to mix all together so that we can complete the end-to-end session. Okay. So this I'm not sure. I think we covered last time. Just a minute. Let me share my session.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Inbound auto combination of PYC, resource management. Okay, it's not there anyway. It's fine. Now what we can do as a mastery, 17. I'm going to insert a row. This one is a 14.1. Okay, another session now. So this is the LOSC, right? I don't want to be LOSC. That is LOSC. Take it out. Remove LOSC. This with a complex only we will try to do. We will understand that different business case. Okay, this is the 14 point something. 14 point. We'll add as additional one. Okay, so this is what I wanted to cover. It's a little bit combination of POSC, but we wanted some kind of direct product. Okay, so it's not undergoing to the deconsolidation. Okay, two scenarios. You know that as of now we have covered majorly all the deconsolidation products only. Only 3 products or 2 products. You might have tried. Only 3 products we have chosen first. Assuming that you have 3 products, but 1 product is direct product. That product is not undergoing to the deconsolidation. Then you need to see that how it's going to divert that directly is going to propose or not. Okay, that is a one case we need to see. And also we will create one more product. What we will do is we won't assign anything. Okay, we won't assign that product. We won't assign any put away control indicators or anything for that. We will see how it behaves for that. Okay. I will write it in the steps. Okay, maybe I'll bring some notepad. What we will do. I think yesterday I sent a message, so but I use my phone. Okay, it's fine. Anyway, what I want to do now as a business case is like this. For this business case, what we want to say that, okay, they will say that, I know that we have done for all the deconsolidation product. What happened if we don't want every product should undergo the deconsolidation? Okay, that means I need to create what is our products? Just let me log in the system. Yes, we'll create quickly. One second, I'm going to get them products. So what is our products? Okay. So what we will do is we'll try to make a direct product. Okay, I'm trying to put as a direct. Okay? Direct or maybe direct product. Okay, so this is the one we will try to maintain. I think we have 5 we created. We will go for 6, another product for us. So we also try to create another product. This product is a direct product. That means I said is we need to create a different WPT for this one because we don't want to use exist same thing. So we will WPT, and also we will create a product type determination indicator, product type determination indicator, separate product indicator, and also WPT determination we will set up. Okay. And also we need to create direct permit DIR storage process steps. Storage process, what we will do, we'll put the direct product. Okay. Same as the name. And also we need the steps, right? What is the steps we need? You may use the steps unloading. Okay. And VAS, we are not going to do anything like, first the moment is come done, it's going to the VAS, because VAS we need to put what purpose we are using VAS, just a labeling purpose. Okay. Labeling. What is this one is this direct product we are receiving from the supplier. Okay. Different, maybe it's the same supplier, but the product names are like, is a different. So we will put some labeling on that. So whatever product, we print the label. That means the product label. Okay. It may be some batch or serial number, anything, because we are not discussing batch or serial number, right? So that label having, it contains the product, and also it contains the barcode, and having some kind of, what kind of batch, what kind of serial number in case. That is the product. Okay. Just I'm trying to say the VAS label. What do you mean of label? In the real time, labeling job means what we do that. Okay. Print the label. That means the job is only print the label at the VAS, because VAS, if at all you want to do some kind of activities, so we need to do, in a VAS only. So the print label is the one thing we need to do that. Okay, print a label that contains of a product info, product number. Okay, that consists of product number. Just I'm trying to say that we typically we use for VAS. Okay, product number and the product barcode. Okay, product barcode, BRCOD. Okay, product barcode and batch, if in case you want to do that. Okay, batch and also serial number. Okay, yes, and serial number. Just I will put a serial number. Serial number. Okay, that is a where the activities we do that. That means, so is unloading VAS directly going to the final put away. Okay, final put away. That means final put away means IP03. That's what we use, right? That's what we use. Still we use same names on IP03, and we use a VAS, whatever the VAS is, the VS0, right? VS1 something. So we use same thing. We use IP01 is standard one. Okay, this is the one. So the job is, this is the one. So it goes to direct. So no deconsolidation or something like that. Okay. What we do is this product should go to the, maybe we can say where this product should go to. Maybe I will assume is mezzanine. Okay. Mezzanine second floor. Assume that mezzanine second floor. Okay. Mezzanine second floor means, okay, the storage location where we are going to, okay, the storage location we are trying to pump send it to is a mezzanine storage location. And this is the second floor, am I right? This is the second floor. When is the second floor? When is the second floor? You know that lift is there, either lift, okay, or you have any conveyor also, right? So conveyor is there. So that means then you have to map again. You have to create a, okay, conveyor as the storage type. Okay, and again we create the storage bin. We can say that maybe conveyor starting point or conveyor starting point and also conveyor ending point, because at the end of the day we have to end the ending point. Okay, conveyor start. Okay, so that means within the, then we are going to embed within the POSC, we are going to create a LOSC also. That means this is the labeling. Then we need a WPT. The WPT, as I said, 1020, 11, right? We use 12, we use it. And this is what we want. I will try to put here only. Okay, so that you understand 1012 we are using. Sorry. Hope you are following business case, guys. 1012. Okay. And this is a PTD. Then I will put as a product determination PD. I will put direct product determination. And this is another one. And also what I will do is same one and one more product I will use. Okay. Product 6. Same direct product only. Okay. This is anyway, you don't need, already I kept now. So another case, this is the one scenario we go that. One business scenario case. Okay. Same thing we repeat now. Okay. Another business case, what we want to do. Same, I'm going to put as a product 7, direct product only. But this time what I want to do that same door, we will go for mezz only. Second floor all the way. But what we will try to do that, we won't put any put away control indicators. Okay. It should land. Okay. Where should land? It should land into direct red zone. Okay. Red zone. When should go red zone? As soon as you unload happen, system should create a warehouse task, right? So then it should automatically, it should end up as a red zone area. Means like, so what we do in a real time, why we call as a red zone means the area where you are trying to, like, due to some product weight, there are several regions. System failed to create a put away tasks. WTs put away, okay, warehouse task, WPTs after unloading. Okay, this is the direct part after unloading. Ignore the typing, guys. Okay, after unloading, okay, then system failed to create WPT and land it to the red zone area. This is the one case. Another case is the product is too large. Okay, the product is a too large. Product is too large, and another case I can say the product no put away control. This product is a new product. New product, not maintained warehouse data. Okay, not maintained warehouse data. Not maintained warehouse data means what else? You can say either no put away control indicators. This is a inbound number. No put away control indicators. Control indicators. AWCI. Or else no pack specs also. No pack specs. Why you need pack specs? Okay, we made a pack specs. Pack specs are very important for any inbound, right? Whenever you are using a VAS, you should ensure that the products are maintained as a pack specs. Okay, products are maintained as a pack specs. So these are the two business cases. We will try to do that. Okay, and any doubt as of now, you people, anything you wanted. So the new products are there. As I said, both products are Medj 1. Okay, Medj second floor. That means already we have done. We have already created as a activity area. Everything we have done now. Am I right? So everything we have done already for activity area. All these things. So we don't need anything. And also we have done already put away control indicators, everything we have done it. That means storage step, search criteria, everything we have done it. But I will show once again. So that configuration, we don't need to do that. The new product, then definitely you need to maintain, okay, pack specs you need to maintain. Okay. So this is a business requirement. And also what you need is you need to create a pack specs again. Okay. What I will do, I'll try to add saying that no storage criteria, because already you know that we already done no storage criteria required because already we have done it for the case. Okay, since we have already created STSS for MES, okay, MES second floor. So we have already done it. No storage criteria. Okay, since already we created for STSS. What else you need to need? So already we have a bins, we have everything is there now. So we need to create a product sum, right? Next stage is we need to create a product. Create a products. What do? You need to create a products. That means product 6 is a direct product. And also you need to create and product 7. Okay, product 7. We need to create it. And what do? You need to, after creation, you need to extend them, right? What do you do after that? You need to extend to storage locations. Just I will put a SL. That means 1D, 271D and 271. Yes, that's where we need to extend it. And also extend this product to, okay, where extend to means where EWM, okay, EWM, okay, that's called, what do you do that? /n SAWM mat1, okay, that's where we need to do that. Okay, what else you need to do that? Did we maintain anything? And also we will try to check whether VAS product is a /n SAP APO /mat1. So we will check any VAS related things we need to extend for that. Okay. So whether the VAS and all, we will try to extend for that one. What else you need to do? Sekhar, you are doing right. Okay. So WPT already we said we are going to create everything, all those things. Okay. So this is a product master data wise. Okay. What else in terms of the configuration? Anybody? I'll put unmute, guys. Okay. I'll put unmute. Okay. Now be interactive. Okay. Okay. So this no storage because we already used there, and this one. And what we need to do is red zone, as I said, because since for the business case too, we need a red zone storage type. Okay. This red zone is like, work center, guys. Okay. So we need to create a red zone storage type we need to create, and the storage bins we need to create. And also we will try to create work center for this one. And then once we create a work center, it's a general work center. Okay. We can create a work center. Okay. Then work center. We can assign some layout also, work center layout. We think of work center, but because I can trigger from that. Okay. But a work center layout, no problem. We will assign it any work center layout. And then once you have done it, works as 5 steps concept, right? Storage type, storage bin, work center layout. Okay, I will put a system. Okay. Work center layout, work center, and the relationship between the work center with the storage bin. Okay. Then what you have to do is /n SAWM T work ST. Okay. You need to remember, guys. Okay. T work ST. Because we need to maintain 5 steps, we need to create it. And also we will try to create activity area for this one. Okay. Activity area. I will put AA means activity area as a red zone. Okay. Then red zone, what I will do, I will go for RZ, maybe. Okay. Our warehouse summary 27, RZ27. Okay. Our storage type is RZ27. I'll put now here RZ. Storage bin is always, we know that our store that we are going proper convention 2710. Okay. You can say red zone score 01 or something. Okay. And the work center layout, same thing, we can go for RZ27. Okay. Sorry, work center, this one. We will check any existing one, guys. Okay. Work center is same thing. And the linkage is always, that. And the activity area, we will use it. Storage type we have. Okay. This is the one we need. What else we need?
Storage process.
Storage process, I explained, right? First, warehouse process types, process type determination. Warehouse process determination, see, direct steps, unloading 3 steps. Okay. And the pack specs, once we do that, pack specs. That means
SBST for.
Yeah, the pin sorting again we have to do. Okay. Once we once you create a product, we need to create a pack specs, right? Because the VAS is there means definitely without pack specs, it won't work. You know that pack specs. This is where, that's what I'm trying to say, guys, because you can't remember everything, right? Once a business case, you need to think what we need for us. That's where you can remember EWM. Okay, now you know that VAS is there. Definitely, if I want to receive that product without pack specs, nothing going to work, because VAS is going to work based on the pack specs. So you need to create a pack specs for these products. So that's where you will be master anything when you try to analyze like this. It's a very difficult to remember something. Okay, so we will create a pack specs for this one. Okay, and put away control indicators we need to assign. Okay, since we have already, then once you have the, I think in the mat one only we will extend anything. You need to extend this one. Okay, EWM and add controls. Okay, whatever PDTT we can add it. Okay, and also we can put away control indicators. At the moment put away, we will assign put away control. Or if you don't want, yeah, I think this cover this right. We can do that. What else we can do that? Next one is, as I said, activity area and concept is there. So that means we already said extend. Okay, I don't want to add this one. Okay, that's then we will go for activity area for the red zone. Okay, so activity area we need to create this one. Okay, activity area 27. What is the activity? Is the put away. Okay. What activity we are doing? We are doing put away PTWY. You know that. Okay, then you have to map it again. Okay, what you have to do at the end of the day, you need to map our storage type, our warehouse, our activity area, and activity AC. That's where we have to link it. Then after that, you have to do bin sorting, because whenever you create some bins, you have to do bin sorting. Okay, that is a standard. Any activity area using any bins you, because if you are not using activity area, then fine, no problem. That bin, the storage type of bin is not based on activity area. But whenever you are trying to use activity area, then you use for the bin sorting. Okay, bin sorting /n SAWM SBST. Okay. What else you need? Okay, and this product put away control indicators, you can see even door determination. So door, I will put a door determinate here. So just I'm adding, see, one by one we are adding to that. Okay. One by one we'll go now. Okay. Any doubt on this one, guys? Okay. Hope you are unmuted, right? Any doubt about this business case? Okay. So this is the kind of real time, where you have a problems. Okay. So this case, we are going to even cover the conveyors also. So one by one, we'll go. Okay. First business case, first products. Am I right? We need a product. Am I right? So we'll try to create a products quickly.
Can you ping in the chat window so that we?
This one I will send it. Okay. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, this one I will send it across to you. Okay, I'm going to send today so that you will get this text file. Okay.
Yeah, so that may take. Maybe they may load tomorrow or something. So some may take.
You may not get them, right? Complex business case text. I don't know whether you can download, but preferably that is a mode of approach we for that. No, I will do that.
If you put the
But
chat
tell him, like,
window,
immediately.
we can have in our notepad as well. Parallelly, we can. Because
Visualize.
only the confusion is, so when we do after inbound delivery, after next steps, what are the steps doing a bit confusing. That's where we need to
See,
more
you have already received, right? My inbound, you already got it. So you go back again, see my previous one. So this is the like, so assume that you are doing real project now. You get all. So you might have already learned is inbound process now. So now how we are going to manage it? Okay, are we going to completely disturb the existing process? Because there's a direct one. So that one is whatever we have created now is a deconsolidation. So now I have a different products. One is the direct products, but one is the maintaining that product, everything. But another product, it should land into red zone because I don't want to maintain any products in that. Means like any controls in that. And also I'm going to put some larger weight and see that how it's going to react. So that is what I want to see that. Okay, what happens is there are occasions it exceeds the weight. Okay, if it is exceeds the weight, then where systems should propose for us. Okay, so that's where I wanted to see that. Okay, but I'm using only mesh at the moment. Okay, I will try to manage only mesh. The product should go to mesh only. Okay, so assuming that the weights and dims of the mesh is exceeded, but it should land into the red zone area. Okay, that's what I want to do. So but I made no storage criteria, but I want to say that we need to modify the storage search criteria. Okay, modify the storage STSS criteria. Okay, I need to modify the STS criteria for mesh second floor, because what happens is first system should always see the mesh first second floor for these products. If it is nothing is there, then what system should look at? Second case, second sequence, it should go to the red zone. Okay, you can say maybe red zone. Okay, so we have a dedicated area where we have already created our warehouse, our layout. I will tell you once it is unloaded, system should go to the there. Okay, it should propose for us now. Okay, we will see that. Okay, yeah, we will see. First is once unloaded, or you can say after VAS, we try to do that, but it should end up in the red zone area. Okay, that's also possibilities there. We will see. I want to do the before that only. Okay. First, one by one we'll go because I don't want to too much make complex. Okay, we'll see the first red zone. Okay. After VAS, we will see that how it will happen. Okay. This is the one case. First, we see that red zone. I'll jump to the SAP screen now. The notepad is clear for you? Is okay? Big view or small view or is okay? Or do I need to increase it?
This is good. Yeah.
First, we will create a master data. Okay. That first job we will see that. Okay. I will try to copy that product. It is a product 7, direct 6 and 5. Okay. We not much spend on this one. Okay, we know that already. We have created MM01 / MM01. Okay, copy in a deco one, and this product mechanical engineering, and material type is we will try to do finished good, guys. Okay, this time last time is raw material only. Okay, and continue raw white only. Okay. Okay, so gross weight and volume is okay, 30 kilograms, right? How much we weight? Okay, that's fine. We see. Okay, so 30 kilograms. Check that. Okay, it's fine. So the rest is the same only. You know that. I'm not going to explain again. You are already aware all these.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Things. Just save it. Just repeat the other one. Direct 7. Direct 7. I'm not giving description is okay. Just keep it as it is. So once we did this one, you know that we need to extend this product MMSC. So a plant 6. Why is fully not extended? Why we have done it, right? I don't know why it's not working. You know, we have copied everything, right? And we have done it, everything we copied. It's so strange, actually. So we copied everything from this one to this one. What is there? See, everything is copied here. Should copy them, right? All should copy now. Basic data, okay. Data 2, general plant, okay. Product is all right. It's okay. Accounting 1, accounting 2. Just save it. Repeat for the 7 also. Okay, so going MMSC now. 6. Okay, 271, yes, because D we have used them, right? So what I'm trying to do now. Okay, real time, nobody is going to do one by one, okay? So they will upload using the mass upload will do that. Then the CMM guys will take care. 71. Okay. Then we will extend to mat 1 also here also. 71, yes. Okay, not created, we are creating now. So this is what I'm going to put new one, okay? We'll come back after that. So same thing, 7. Create it. We'll come back later, okay? What should we have done it? Okay. We can create a pack specs right away, but we can do later, okay? Once we do that. Certainly we can create pack specs for this one. We'll create a pack specs right away. Anything is going to stop for us? Okay, yeah, we need some step is required, right? So we'll come back later, okay? So now I will move to the configuration. Yeah. So what we can do, we can use goods receipt, go to the inbound delivery, documents. First we see the document types, okay? Are we going to use same document type for the thing or something like that? So still we can use INB only, okay? Nothing wrong. We can use INB, PDI, we will use it. As it is, we use it, okay? Yeah, that's fine. We continue to use same thing, okay? We're not going to making a separate, but instead we are going to create a separate WPT, okay? And product determination, we will change it. That way we can easily distinguish, but you can create if want, but okay. 2 ways, guys, okay? You can create separate WPT, duplicate document types and separate, completely we can do, but otherwise you can use existing document type item categories. Just you create a different product determination indicator and a different warehouse process type. Okay, so let's create a warehouse process type first. 2710. We have already 1011, am I right? With the storage process. Just I copy this one. This is not ours. 27101011. Copy this one. Try to put 1022. Okay. So we can say just I'm going to add as a direct. Just direct product. Just I will add this. 101. Okay, rest is same thing. Okay, we will come back and assign different one. Okay, we're not going to use now this one. Okay, this is same thing. And put away control indicator. Process type categories remain same because it's the inbound activity. So always is a put away. And activity is also put away. And this is a standard one. You don't need to do anything. Only we will come back and assign the storage process with the new storage process. Okay. That's done. Next. You need a, because I want to distinguish with the product should enter a separate one. 2710, we have LO is there, Z1 is there. Okay. To make it a generic, go for Z2, guys. Okay. Z2 inbound with put away direct. Somewhere I want to add as maybe put away. It's fine. Bracket direct product should happen unload as and IP03. Okay, so come on, what is going on? 5. It's not there. Picked out all things. Okay. IBD with direct product EST with IP01 VAS and then IP03. Okay. So that any product, direct product should go to the Z2. Okay. One is the Z is direct, one is Z1 is the deconsolidation, Z2 is not deconsolidation. Okay, then determination, we will follow the determination. I will go for new entry. What I will do, so our warehouse number is 2710. The document category is INB, IDLV, and the process determination indicator I said Z2. And the indicate special indicator we don't need, and 1012. Okay. So as soon as the product, this is the key. Okay, this is the key for us to identify which process type. Okay, Z2. Once you do this one, you go back immediately. We will assign to the Z2 product. Okay, MAT1. Okay, 6. Change it. One by one we'll go. Okay, the process determination indicator now is Z2. Z2. Okay, save it. Come back again. It's 7. Change it. This is also Z2 only. Okay. Just correct me if I'm wrong, okay? So this is what we're done. You'll try to do even SAP APO also, okay? SAP APO. Okay, global data. Change it. Okay. Under the properties 2. Okay. This is also their VAS product is there. Okay. Since we copied them, right, is there already. We try to go for the 6 also. Just we'll see display only. Okay. So VAS product is already there. So you don't need to do that. Okay. What else now? So VAS is there. I will try to create a VAS step, external step if we need them, right? So let me finish that external steps also. Then we'll come back. Okay. So again, I'm going a process oriented storage control. So where I'm going to use existing one, that's what I told you. IB01, I'm going to use it. I'm going to use VS1, okay? A VAS activity VS01. VS0 test create VAS pack. Okay, you'll go for VS01. That's fine. Okay, and IB03. What I'm going to create is a new one, guys. Okay, create a new entry 2710. Okay, this is the, as I said, direct product. I will put as a DRP and direct product. Okay, unloading, unload, VAS, and final put away. Okay, just I can say put away. Okay, this is a direct product. Enter it. Then go to assignment, do entries. Now I'm going to put IB01. Okay. Then IB02, sorry, VAS1, then IB03. Okay, as soon as unload happen, is the auto is required. This we don't need. We don't, yeah. And after that, we don't need, yeah. This is more than enough. For creation. Go back and see that. With the decoy. 2710. Ours is decon, right? Just mute yourself, okay? Okay, so this is what we have done it. Yeah, that's all right, okay? For VAS is IB03. Yeah, we don't need this one. Okay, this is what I'm going to use this one. Okay, so once we have already created the steps I will do, because since we have not done some of things, as we can use same thing. Okay, let's go and create now. Whether is IB01 is a good option, that's what I'm trying to say. It should not confuse again. What I can do, guys, this one. Let's see. IB01. IB02. I will IB01. You need a VAS. We need IB03. I will try to create a different one. Okay. Other than it's confusing for me. Okay. Instead of this one, okay, IBD1. Okay. Direct, you know that. Okay. Direct one. IBD1. And this is called IBD3. Okay. This is also VAS. I will put a D1. Okay. So that you may not confuse. But this one, you know, internal process, as I said, always the linkage is it. So unload for the IBD1. Put away, for put away is put IBD3. And a VAS is a to put away and stock removal and put away internal process for this. keep as it is. So what I will do, go back now. Process steps. Okay. D1. D1. Why is not there? Save it first. No, I don't want to load that. Press IB01. Then save it and come back. It will be there. Okay, just change it. IB D3. So this is a direct one. So VAS I can use same thing, whatever existing VAS only. Okay, I will explain to you in a graphical way. Okay, don't worry. I will explain in graphical way how it's going to work again. Okay? So now I'm going to use the process oriented story control. We define the steps again. Okay. Just I will try to copy existing one so that we can minimize our effort. So we have IB01, right? So IB01 you need to copy. IB03 we need to copy. VAS is, where is the VAS? Okay, this one you need now. Okay. Only IB, I'm not copying this one. I think that's fine. Okay. I'm going to copy now. So what we will do, IB D1, IB D1. We will keep as it is because I'm going to put a GR zone. So same thing, this also IB D1. And what is now we are going to put IB D3 and VS D1. Okay. Rest I'm going to use same thing because of VAS only, right? So 8010 is going now. So now after that, where is going? I will fix now. This is important. As soon as the VAS should start from 9010. Okay. 9010, it should go to the loading 300. After that, so IB, we don't need IB D3. Okay. Just I will try to put is 8050 is a VAS. Yeah, VAS. Okay. So after that, I'm not going to put anything because here we don't need him, right? So because it goes go to 1012, then determination will happen based on the STSS criteria. Okay, so that's where IBD3 we don't need. Why IBD when we have done it? Because system expect HU group type, so that's what I added here. Okay, separate I maintained HU group because without this one we cannot create a transportation unit. That's what I added. Okay, the other one is this. I maintained two things. Without a TU, then this is going to work. This is the IBD1. This is going to work without TU. If at all you want to work for IBD1 unloading, then you maintain separate from HU group. Okay, correct me if something wrong. We are going to unload it. Okay, directly, then it's going to the 9030 is a door. If it's without a TU, then it's a landing at the GR zone. As soon as I land the GR zone, it will go to the VAS work center. Then after VAS, it should go for the IBD. Then a determination will happen at all. If I'm going to TU, then ignore this line, then directly source system will know them, right? You are going to unload directly from the transportation unit. So through the door. So we don't need to any storage type is required for the transportation unit. So that's what is the empty I'm giving. Because as I said, why I'm giving empty? Because you are unloading directly to you through the door into the staging area. Okay. From the transporter loading to here through the door. That's what the source I didn't mention here. Okay. Why we were not created this one?
No, we are not created, sir. We said VS01 you use like that.
VAD1 is there. Right? It's fine. VAD1. Okay. So everything is there. Let's check it. VAD1. Okay, IBD1 unloading, VAS, then IBD3 final storage location. No doubt, am I right? Here, I can come back again. One quickly, you can check it. So what I did is external steps I created separately, IBD1 unloading. Okay, IBD3 also put away, and VAS VD. So existing one I copied VD. Okay. Then after that we created deco, direct product. Under that 3 steps: IBD1, VAD1, IBD3. Then again for process steps: IBD1 for the TU purpose, and without TU then IBD. And I'm trying to say that is the door is the storage type because through the door we do that. Okay, IBD3. And then after that VAS, it will happen second case. Then from the staging area to the VAS, then after VAS, it should go to the final storage location. Okay, from the VAS to the, that's what we didn't mention anything here. Next. So we need to come back again, assign to the, under the WPT storage type. Okay. 2710 and 1012. So we need to assign because otherwise system won't understand, right? So what, how system understand the product, which product is undergoing to the which storage process. So direct product should go this way. Okay. Earlier we assigned a deco, now is a direct product. Okay. What else we need now? Okay. So this is going to work for us, perfectly works for us direct product. Anything missing required. Okay. If it's the red zone, then we need additional one. Okay. So what we can do now? We will create a pack specs now. Okay. Because the products is there. Pack specs. So in a real time, if you ask, then you need to tweak his existing one. Okay. So what I can do, we'll see. Okay, this is not going to work. Oh, I will try to put a deco product. Any deco product, guys. Okay. No. Okay. Deco. So as we know that the B2 is pack specs, we can always copy, am I right? Okay, we need not to do set up everything from the scratch. Okay, copy, put new product. What is the new product now? That means we already set up for that. Direct product 6. Okay. This is what we copied now. Just to you display it now. ZVAS is that's where we created pack spec group. So we are not going to do everything again. Okay. See, you already got the direct product. But the only thing is you need to copy the description. Just try to update. You know that how is going to pack specs works based on the condition type. Okay. Condition type, condition technique is the background is there. Okay. So if you go to the product, so one we have mentioned, then product weights comes automatically. Okay. Direct product and also level. Level is only one level. And also our packing material, we are used to use this one. So this may be different packing material. Okay, as I said, real time, we may having at least 100 packing materials we have. Okay, minimum 100 packaging materials we have. Different packaging materials we have. Okay, then assuming that, and we may have 60,000, even 100,000 products, but we're not going to create one by one. We will use a template. We will give to the business users. We may not going to do that. We explain 1 or 2 cases saying that this is the way you need to populate it in the spreadsheet. That's it. They will populate it. So you're not going to do that. So they will, once they do that, we may check it and we will hand over to the MDG team. So they will upload, but we can also upload. So this is the packaging material, all the things, and warehouse. External step is important. Okay. So earlier we have used VS1M, right? So now we need to assign to the VAD1. Okay. VAD1. That's where is the changes. Okay. Going to put this VAD1. So I'm not going to use as a VS1 because it's a confusion, am I right? Existing one. So I could use this one VS01. Okay. Because again, I don't want to disturb this one, guys, work center. But again, work center layout, again, we have to disturb. Okay. Is it okay? I will keep as the same thing for original one. Okay. This is the original one. Okay. So if I want to use the original one, okay, then I will come back again, rechange the steps. Okay. Instead of VAD1, okay, then I will change it VS01. Because why I'm not going to change this one? Because already VAS 5 steps work center, everything we already built. So we don't want to disturb that one. Okay. That step will be still remain valid for us. Okay. So I'll keep it as it is. And this is okay. Okay. What I will do before doing this job, okay, I'm going back here, process oriented storage control. So under the assignment, DCO, as a direct product, not a DRP, is a direct product. The names I put my own convenient name, guys. Okay, you can put your own names. Okay, just I'm adding same thing because we can avoid a lot of things. Okay, PS01 and process oriented control also. 2710. Oh. So why I did it, this is what I'm right. So we don't want to conflict. What happen if I put a VS01 again, same thing? What happens is it is expect from you to move from the deconsolidation to here. So again, you will get a conflict now. So VA1, okay. It's okay. Let's create a new one, guys. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. I know it's a little bit strange, but you know. VA1. Because the step is going to conflict for us. Okay. Otherwise, it gives you wrong now. Okay. So I will continue to use VAD1 only. Okay. Then I will create a different one. Okay. That's not a problem. Okay. So what we can do now, activated. Okay. Let's I will activate now. Once we don't need to do anything because already we have done it last time. So only packaging material. And if you see this packaging material, weights and volumes, it comes automatically based on the packaging material and warehouse data because that's where a step you assign VAD1. Okay. So now we need to activate. Okay. At the end of the day, we need to activate the product. Okay. Package specs. Okay. We have done it now. I can also copy directly from here, but I'll come back again. So SAP is activated. So I'm going to copy same one. Okay. Now this time is direct product 7. Okay. Again, display. That pack specs is JDVAS. You know that JDVAS is a pack spec group we are using. Okay. So 7. Even real time also you need to tell to people saying that use the same way. Okay. Let's save it. So rest is same. Product comes automatically. And the level is only one level. And HU type VAD1. Packaging material is this one, 271 matte pack material. Okay. You also activate this one. Okay. Both we have done it now. Next. Okay. We are keeping as it is now. So master data we need because there is a VAD1 separate storage. VAS work center separate we have to create now. Okay. Go for that. Okay. I want to minimize it, but I didn't get a chance to do that. Okay. Work center layout is same. Okay, I will use a different work center. That's it. Okay. What I will do, I will copy one. 71. Okay. So ours is VASM, right? So same thing I will use it. Okay. So this one is was we can say VAS direct product. Okay, VAD. Okay? This also we use for the VAS direct product. Okay, that's where we use it. The external step is VAD1. Okay, that's what we created. And the storage storage type we will use as it is. Okay, we are not going to do something. We will continue to use the 8050. Use this one. And work center layout also we will use VAS VS01. Okay, so no problem. We continue to use same one. Guys, okay, we continue to use same thing. Step 8050. This is the one. Okay, so once we assume is same, and bin also we are going to use same bin. Okay, so next one is work center we have created. So finally we need to assign T work ST. T work ST. That means I'm using existing master data, guys. Okay, at the end of the day. T work ST. So this is the VEDP. So we can use same thing as whatever work center is there. The bin I'm going to use same thing. Okay, nothing, not much difference. It allows you. Okay, allows you. The work center, but still it allows you, no issue. You see. Okay. VEDP.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Okay, 050. Okay, this is a direct product. Okay. So this we've done it now. What else we need? So we will try to create activity area for this one. STR1. Before that, I will try to create a red zone so that we can cover everything. Okay. Define storage type. Okay. Anything I'm going to create any one new one. I'm going to create a new one, guys. Okay? So that you understand everything. 2710. Okay. RZ27. That's what I'm going to use. Red zone. Okay. So that the products, it's something wrong, it should go to here. And this is the work center. That's what I want to do that. And requirement is the X requirement. This is the HU only allowed. Okay. None other is going to allowed. And put away confirmation control. And a put away controller, we will go for the general storage type. Okay. And also no capacity check. Capacity check is the weights and dims, guys. Okay. Whether you want to know weights and checks, because this is a red zone, right? So we don't want to do that. Okay. Rest is okay, guys. Okay. We don't need anything. Okay. And we can put a confirmation card, but this is only we need. Okay. That's it. We don't need anything else. Okay. So just create, I will create one red zone bin. What bin we said is just idea. Red zone bin. Just I'm trying to see that. Direct product. Okay. This what I. Okay. I'm going to create a bin now for red zone 1. LS01. To create a bin, you know that LS01, one single bin. Okay. So you copy that name, red zone 01, enter it. So RZ 27, just save it. This is what we've done it. Okay. Now, once we do this one, you know, as I said, we can create as a work center for this one. Okay. What we can do, go to the work center. Okay. Define a work center. I could create a And layout I'm trying to see, guys. Okay. Pack. I will use the pack only. Okay. So that means VPMX is the pack or hours we have done it, right? Just I will say 2710. There is a pack work center. Pack work center. PLC, but VPMX. Okay. Copy it. RJ 27. Accept for the RJ 27. Okay. External step we don't need as of now because I can do that after unloading. It should come to the here. Okay. I'll try to put men. Okay. After unloading, right? I will see that after IB external step. Don't need, but RJ 27. Two things possible, guys. Okay. One thing is once unload happens, after unloading only system should divert to here. That is the one thing I wanted to do that. But otherwise, even after VAS also, if a system should fail for you, okay, that's where it should happen. Okay. Just I want to thinking like, whether give, but at the moment I will remove it because after the VAS we wanted system should propose something after the labeling everything. Okay. We will see. But a majority, people will say that, okay, after unloading should happen, then you can always select, okay, IB01. Still, we can say repacking is allowed. Okay. Red zone, we can do packing also, guys. Okay. That is the beauty is we can always do the repacking. Something we can do that. Okay. Sometimes we do the deconsolidation also. We can divert even after the system fails to create a warehouse task, right? Because unloading only it creates a task. Then after that, system should divert to the red zone also. That case, what we can do is, like, we can always divert here is external step is IB01. That means if something wrong, it should go to the here, directly here, red zone area. Okay. From the unloading where it's happening, deconsolidate, from the staging area, right? From the staging area, it should go for there. So we can always select IB01 now. But we'll test, okay? Because I don't want to do everything one time. Okay. So we already created red zone also. So why I'm going to create a red zone is now you see here our warehouse layout now. See guys. Once we unload certain HU, if everything is good, okay, for the direct case, I'm talking about direct case, it should go to the VAS work center. Then after that, okay, so as I said, since it's a second floor, I'm going to try to do this one. Okay. If you don't want to even LOSC, then that's up to you. But if at all you want to go for even LOSC here, because this is a second floor, that means it will be there lift or any conveyor, anything for second floor. Okay. Whether you are going to drop HU here through the conveyor, you will deliver the second floor here. Then after that, somebody can going to put into mezzanine. Assume that is the first floor or second floor. Okay. So you can model as a conveyor. That is the one thing we can do. And start point, end point you can do. That's also possibility there. Okay. We'll try to do that. Then assume, as I said, when a product comes directly to go to here, then after that, if it's a second floor, okay, the product, it goes to the even through the conveyors, then after that final storage location. But otherwise, if nothing is there from the VAS, it should go to the second floor. Okay, if you are not going to model the lift or you are not going to model the conveyor, then after the VAS, it should go to the directly to the ID point, or else it should go to the even red zone also. Okay, so red zone means the final location where system should not propose to the location. But the good practice is the red zone. But okay, we'll just, we don't want to do everything one time. And where we can model after the VAS, it should go back to the red zone area. Okay, that's where we do that. Okay, after the red zone area. If everything is good, okay, if everything all right, so it should go to the second floor directly. Okay, just we'll keep a conveyor aside. Okay, so we will put a LOSC after that, after some time. Okay, so not together doing all the tests same time. It's confused. Okay, so you unload it, then everything is good. It goes to the VAS, then it goes to the second floor. That's what, assume is second floor, this is second floor. Okay, so if something wrong, you receive this one, this HU may not propose here, it is go to the red zone here. Then from the red zone, you keep all the time these products. Okay, you keep all the red zone area. Then somebody, dedicated team is there. See, in the real time, you get hundreds of things, can you believe it? We have done some rollout project where we moved from one location to other location. Okay, so because we are going to consolidate everything into one location. Initially implemented one location, then after that they wanted to expand it, but there is no scope. So then again we implemented 3PL, so managed by somebody else. So when we are trying to move the existing warehouse to here, then we end up so much master data issues, so many things. Can say that almost 1200 HUs is lying here. That means everywhere warehouses are filled with red zone products, red zone HUs. It took up time for them to clear, minimum 3 months time to clear all this. 3 months time to clear all these issues. Okay. So that's what, instead of doing something, they create a red zone. Then after that, they will review the product, because hundreds of products, I'm right, because we don't know that. So they will review it. Then sometime even deco also. I told him, right? Sometimes deco products also will go to the red zone only. Okay. Just that's what I'm tempting, whether I can do work center let IB01 or not. Okay. We'll see. Okay. Now I will go to the red zone also. I need to create activity area. Okay. I will create as an activity area. So I'm going to create activity as a more or less same as the other things. Okay. 2710 is just a definition, right? You know that just definition. And RZ27. And then RZ27. Typically I use same name, RZ27. Then it's good. Then after that, okay, you are going to assign this activity here as to storage.
Hello, sir. We are not seeing the screen.
Oh, okay, sorry guys. Okay. What I did is I created activity areas. Okay. 2710. Okay, this is the red zone one. RZ 2710. 27 RZ. Sorry. RZ27. Okay, just I copied. Okay, just this is the copy. The name I put as the same as the storage type. Always same standard process. Just I'm trying to assign new entry 2710 and activity same as 27 RZ. That's what we follow, that best practice. 27 activity area. Oh, sorry, RZ27. RZ27. And again, storage type is also same thing. RZ27. That's where I maintain. Then here also consolidation group. I will try to use a consolidation group here also. Okay. So that based on that, system should propose for me where should go. So this is this is also like one kind of final storage location, guys. That means what I want to try to convey here is, since we have wide aisle pick face reserve, pick face, we have wide aisle pick face reserve, we have mesh ground, we have a mesh first floor, and we have mesh second floor. Okay, assuming that the product is not maintained any put away control indicators. Okay, or something like that. If the product is exceed the weight limits, because we kept it as of now 1000 kilograms, as a weight of the each bin. And also we have set up certain volumes also. Either of one is exceeds, then it should land there. Okay. One is if you don't put away control indicator for that product, or second case is there is a weight is exceed that one, the both should land into red zone. Okay. Or E27. This is also like a final storage location. But this product is not going to make it into F2 stock, because once you move it to this location, this 2 is F2 stock, right? After confirm, after final put away, but may not happen because still is F1 only. Okay, because there could be some product control issues, there could be some weights and dims issues, because you may repack and smaller one and you may do that after that. So after analyzing that, so the red zone is a temporary zone. You try to analyze it, what is the problem, then you fix it after that. Okay, in real time you may receive hundreds of products, but you cannot control it. You cannot just like something you do that. Okay, the process operation should be, warehouse operation should be very smooth. Okay, in terms of if at all operation should be smooth, the system should driven everything. Okay, it's not manual driven. System should drive which product should go to which locations. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say. Why I put as a consolidated, like that 5 consolidation. Similar, we have to use for even red zone is also consolidation. Hope you understand why I'm doing this. Okay, yeah, wonderful. Okay, now we have done this one. Now define the sort sequence. Okay, 2710. Okay, the mid second floor, am I right? So to see one's vase exceeds, okay. The exceeds, okay, but what happened? Just I'm trying to think, guys. Okay, if because if I put a control indicator, it comes. Then okay, other product. If I don't put a product now, then how system is going to behave for us now? That's what I'm to try to see now. Okay, let's see. Okay. Just we create it first now. So the activity area is RZ. Okay. Similarly used for RZ, but this is the only frame. But if this red zone also you can maintain. If you think that in a red zone too many things, you can create a separate racking also. Okay. If it is a such case, you can always do for that. Okay. Red zone activity is only put of activity. That's what I've done it now. Okay. This is what I've done it. Next, what I will do. Now, bin sorting you have to do. As I said, anytime whenever you create activity area. Oh, 1 second, guys. Even we created a new VAS, right? Okay, let me create a new VAS also. Okay, let me copy anything. So 2710. Okay, activity area is VAD1. That's what you created, right? VAD1. Okay. Assign storage bin type. Inventory. Let's see. VAD1. Storage type is 80. VAS, right? 8050. So for this one, we don't need consolidation group. Okay. For this one, we don't need. For any work center, we don't need. Only for assuming this, if you try to do final put away, final location will be that. Okay. 8050. That's right. Then define sort sequence. Put away. I'll try to copy, guys. Okay. So 2710. Activity area is to we said VA. Okay, and put away, and also 8050 is a VASM, right? So 80. Okay. Now we'll do bin sorting, guys. Okay. /n SAP EWM SBST. Okay, SBST. Let's try to delete the existing one. Let's try to create a line for the bin sorting for the all the bins again. Okay, system generate a bin sorting. So bin sorting is done now. If you go back to the LSB for the DECO one, just I want to say DECO one. Even RZ also, if you go to the activity areas, see this one, put away is their activity area. Okay. Even I didn't remember is the VAS work center, right? VAS WEC work center. Just I will see there is a. See this one, activity area comes for VAS also. Okay. This is the one. So you know that we can create as many activities as possible. For the same bin, I can create multiple activities, right? For put away, I can do inventory, I can do something like that. So that's what I did for that. Okay. So what else we can do? Anything left now? Okay. Guys, is it more than enough? I'll stop few minutes now. You can talk now. I'll bring back again here the notes now. You see anything we missed now? So PTD we assigned for both products. Okay. Let me check first. Okay. Class and mat one just okay. So 6. So we have done it. Change it. 6, as I said, 6 should go to directly measure second floor. Okay, measure second floor. And also measure second floor, we can go for bin type. Okay, go for large tote. Okay, the large tote only we have created now. Large tote. Okay, this is a large tote. I'll give another assignment, guys. Okay, today this after this one. Only one tote we have done it, right? Only large tote we have done it. The 7 I'm not going to give, guys. Okay, 7 I'm not going to give anything. We'll see how it's going to happen. Okay, what's going to happen? We'll see. We'll see because we see because this we need to test them, right? Unless we need to. Okay, then one STSS criteria I need to maintain, guys. Okay, I need to disturb STSS criteria. SPR. Okay, any product. If system is a fail to create final storage location, then it should go to the red zone. System should propose as a red zone straight away. Okay? The task should be created for red zone. Okay? There's a goods receipt strategies. Okay? STS criteria. Okay, define storage such sequence. Already we have done it. We go back here. Our 2710. Okay. 2710. So we have already, we are working only this one, right? So match second floor I'm working. Okay, rest I'm not going to do that. Okay, so I'm working for a match second floor. Okay, the 2 products should go to the match, but some reason some product not maintained in the put our control. Weight gems missing. Okay. So match second floor only I'm focusing match second floor. Okay, 2710. Okay, so match second floor. So as I said, if a product, everything goes, put away control, everything is a proper for the product, it should go to the match second floor. If something is wrong, okay, such criteria is same, but it should go to the red zone now. Okay, second sequence. System should propose for me second floor. Okay, red zone second floor. Okay, guys. See what I want to do now. Okay. So even I can set up for this one also. Okay. What I can do, same thing I can repeat for this one. Mesh second floor also. Anything, if something wrong, then second system always should look into this. Okay. Under the one search sequence, I can set up hundreds of things also. Okay. See, one first sequence system, see always mesh second floor. Okay. Then one-to-one relation. First it checks the mesh second floor storage location. If something no bins are available, or like sometime all the bins are not available, then system will go to the red zone. Okay. For example, you can always go for there is a different criteria. I can go for that. What happens if the second floor is gone? Only red zone is there. Why can't we go for ground floor? Why can't go for wide aisle pick phase? Why can't system to look into the other locations? Okay, that I'm going to give big assignment for you guys. Okay, I'm going to tweak more and more. Okay, so realistic way. Okay, so at the moment I'm giving this one. Then what I want to do next time, okay, after the before red zone, I will say that let's go to the second floor instead of, okay, if nothing is there, we should go to the ground floor, first floor. If not good, what I'll pick phase reserve. So finally, 6 sequences will come. You understand? 6 sequences. For example, one case I will explain. Okay, mesh second floor, always sequence 1, it should go to the mesh second floor. Okay. Some region, this is all the bins are full. Then it goes to the second sequences. Same thing, guys. Okay, you need to maintain number 1, number 2 sequence. Sequence is changing. Rest is remains. Okay, then mesh the ground should go. Third one, mesh second floor. Third sequence is go to the mesh ground number at first floor. Then again, fourth one is the wide aisle pick phase. Then fifth one is wide aisle pick phase reserve. This is also I can maintain that. So remember then, if I maintain put away STSS is this one, means my put away control indicators also mesh is second floor. Right? So if I use put away control indicators mesh, system will look into not only mesh second floor, it checks ground. It is not there, system will propose you ground. If it is not there, it propose the first floor. If it is not there, it's proposed to the first floor. Wide aisle pick phase. If it's not there, wide aisle. One put away control indicator. I am going control everywhere, no matter it is. So if I do put away control indicator, irrespective of my put away control indicator, the system will divert. System checks all the time, all the storage location before giving a whether red zone or anything like that. So system checks all the storage locations. This is called dynamic one. So no matter it is whatever I assigned here, if I assign a mesh second floor, if it is available, good. If it's not, system will look into all storage. On the sixth one, if nothing is there, you will end up red zone 27. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so you guys should plan for this one. Okay, and also I'm going to put within the mesh second floor large tote, okay, small tote, medium tote. Then imagine if product goes to that large tote, or for example medium tote, then medium tote bins all full, whether you are going to allow for the large tote or not. Then here you need to go for the bin type determination. Bin type determination is important. Then with the alternative bin type. Okay, then that is where I'm going to explain you today. Before end of the session, I will explain to you. You guys should do as an assignment. Okay, big assignment for this one. Okay. So as of now, I'm going to do this one as a red zone only for this one. But certainly you can always extend for other things. Okay? Just what you want to do, I can extend for other one also. Okay? Quickly. My second floor is the ground, first floor. Okay. Copy it. As I said, it should go to the second one is the red zone. RZ. Okay, so second sequence. So same search sequence, but red zone. Second step, okay? System will always go to the main location. If a main location, some reason is not there, then system should end up is there. It should go to the red zone locations. Okay, that's what I want to try to do, guys. Okay, system should propose to this location. Okay. Okay, almost I've done it. I will test now before we have still. I think 1.5 year. Okay. Any doubts, guys? Okay. So far, any doubts? Anything you want to discuss before jumping into the testing? Subramaniam, Sriram, Sekhar, Ramesh, Prashant, Amar.
No,
sir.
it's everything good.
Good. Okay. So what we will do now, we will try to create a, let's make a complex. Okay. I know that is too much, but we can do 1 hour now, remaining 1 hour. I will do as many tests as possible. Okay. So this is everything we have to do in front of you. So I need to test it, guys. Okay. You know, the real time, how much time is there? Okay. So ME21N, anything we missed, okay, just before 1 minute, we will see that anything we missed, anything, just I want to recollect, guys. Okay. Anything we missed about this one, just based on our observations. Anything we missed. Are we good enough to test now? So red zone, we have done it. Activity area, we have done it. So products we extended. Fact specs we created. And red zone activity area we created. Bin sorting, we have done it. And yeah. Yeah, I think I'm good enough now. What do you say? Have you assigned the PDT for both one? Just this is the one last step I decide. Just one time. 7. I want to go for red zone. Z1 is Z2. Okay, that's fine. 6. We can do some more things, guys. Okay, don't this is the one way we can do that, but still assume that even if not maintain product also, system should go to the red zone only. Okay. This is 6. I'm going to the directly is mesh and large store. Okay. 7th one, I didn't put anything. Okay. 7th product, the direct product only, but I didn't put any indicators, but definitely because I need to find a determination number, right? Process determination indicator. Without WTP, I can't do anything. So that's what I added for this product. Okay. Just we'll run it now. I will create a purchase order now.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Now, ME21N. Do you want to do separately for this case first? Okay. As a 2 cases rather than combining all. Okay. Then I can combine after that. Guys, are there?
Yeah, nice, sir. Thank you.
What I will do, I'm going to combine these, whatever we created just now, right? We'll try to do first that case, okay? Then after that, we'll combine everything. I will make it little bit tweak for that, okay? So with them, organized data is same, vendor is same, remaining same vendor, okay? But this product, direct product, we can create separate customer also, don't worry, but I want to be same. You can analyze, guys, how many steps you want to always, you can do that, but this way I'm trying to give a more exposure for you, like, how you can fix the things. Okay. This is a direct product. 6. And description as well as 6. And I will go for very few quantity at the moment. And this is a today date is 11th. Okay. Wonderful, guys. And I will also add same product, guys. Okay. Other 07 also I will add it. Let's see. But I will pack it separately. Okay. I will pack it separately. Okay. This is also I will put 2 cases. I will put maybe. I will put maybe 1,000 guys. Okay. Let's put the weight, whatever criteria, just I will put weight criteria. So what will happen for that? I can check later. Okay. I will put the same one. Okay. Let's see what happens. Okay. See, one case I'm going to put same one. Both are same. 11, 5, and 2720. Okay. So this product is 5, same product 5, 5. Okay. Or you want to distinguish, okay, just I will give 6 quantity, okay, the difference. One is the 5 quantity direct, because we already maintained all the controls, proper controls, but this one we didn't put a proper controls. Let's see how it behaves. Edit things, so anything is a problem, okay. Today, don't worry about that, let it happens. Okay. So, okay, next delivery. Next to the delivery. That's fine then. Okay. This is class and VL to create a delivery. You know that VL31N, the standard one. So now we will say that just a POSC, we are going to use a POSC, but of course it's a complex only. I will put a complex IBD, POSC, direct product. Okay. What we will do is with PWC, with or without something I want to add. With. Okay. Just name without put away controller and with put away control indicator. So what we will do, we will select now packet, one. Okay. First I will pack this one. Okay. I will pack this direct product first. Okay. Packet. Okay. I'm going to put another one. This one with this product. Okay. So one is the direct product with all indicators without this indicators. Or maybe wait, we will assume that anything possible, right? So we can put a overweight also, system should go to the, because definitely it's not going to propose for us. Okay. First we test this case, guys. Okay. We test this case. We will come back again. Okay. Because since ad management, just because I will run through very quickly. Okay. Don't worry. Because transportation, I will create it because I'm not going to explain much now. Just you watch what I do. Okay. My aim is something. So just look around what I'm doing now. Okay. I will do just very quickly these things you know already. Okay. I'm assigning the door now. Okay. And the door 3. Okay. Just save it. Free deliveries. But before that, I will assign it. Then we will come back again, see that whether the system is triggered correctly or not. Okay. Whether system is triggered, assign the deliveries. Okay. Just before doing any activity on this one, just take the PRDI. Okay. Go back to see the PRDI. Make sure that our system is triggered properly, all these things. Okay. See some error, we got it now. I can see that what is the error. is already locked by the user. There is a lock. Just a minute, guys. I'll close it. Why is coming like that? We'll check now. Okay, what is the problem? Okay, so it's nothing is that, just because I open at the same time, that's what is giving error. Okay, so I wondered how come is giving error actually when we have done so precisely all these things. Okay, 2 HUs we assign now, and again I'm going to check here. Make sure that always you check, okay, everything is okay, PDI, all the information is right, and then you check again whether system is triggered correct one, whatever you selected now. Okay, see this one 10122, and see pack specs is there, F1 stock, item category DLV, this one. See VAS is also there, just well before the each document you have a VAS order is there, and the same thing, come back again. Second one you select, see that in the form view, make sure again you check it, everything is all right. The product 6 and the F1 stock. Okay, and this is the, see 1012 is a complex inbound process with a direct product that pack specs is that, that's what we created. And item category, same thing for the document flow. For each one we have a different VAS order. Okay, so VAS order is created, but as you know that the VAS is some issue all the time because we have to display the VAS order from the header level. So then you select this one, make sure that you update the VAS work center, guys. Okay, select the VAS work center, VAD1 automatically VADP, right? Don't confuse, because the direct product I've created different VAS work center.
Sir, work center in real time also we put it manually, or it
real
should be
time we do.
automatic?
No. How it going to work, right? So real time, no. And also real time, they won't give access to anybody. Okay, only telling even not even supervisors. Okay, so they don't.
No, but even in the test system, let's say, so
test system is that's what they have a problem. They have not fixed, honestly. Okay, some people have raised even what do you call SAP ticket as well, but nothing happened. Okay. Okay. They are all advanced one, man. That's where you need to see the advanced. They don't care, because the basic one they will give access, so they don't want. But still, it's a demo session, right? But they're trying to give all the privileges for the training sessions. Okay, so we are done now. Quickly, I will go to the here. But I didn't create any queues or anything for this case. Okay, so directly I will create a warehouse task now for unloading warehouse task. Okay, I'm trying to create unload warehouse task. See, unload task is created now, and this is for the door 3. Go to the door 3, and RF guns. You need to go to the RF guns as usual. RFEI. Okay, inbound process or QQs also you can always inbound process, receiving of handling units, receiving VHU by TU, and then you put a door. Okay, door 3, as I said yesterday, is the scanning the doors. Okay. Why is not there? Okay, so why is not there? You know that I need not tell you, because we have not activated also. If you see this one, either door or anything not planned. Okay, what I will do first, check the vehicle. Okay, the vehicle should enter into the add premises first. Okay, enter into the checkpoint. So enter the checkpoint. Then, because since they add one, so I will move the add movements very quickly. Okay. Then I'm not going to do directly. I'm not going to any parking or anything, guys. Okay, I will do directly to the door. Okay, I will assign to the directly to the door. Okay. Z, section, already. Door is okay. This is south side door, right? So DRS Z door. I will select a bin, direct bin. Okay. Door 3. The door 3. Just confirm and say okay 9. I need to enter the manual process, am I right? So that's where we select. Okay. Okay, so we already confirmed now. So we assigned the vehicle to the door now. To come back here, so it will be activated. See, the door is active and both are active. Okay, both are active now. So now if you come back again, okay, see now system is picked the delivery 645. That's what we have seen now. Okay, under the assigned deliveries 645. Just enter it. Then you can see the list because we have a 308 with two products. We packed separately. First, you want to unload it. Scan the HU first. Okay. You can print the labels also that you know already printing a label. That is done. Then enter it. Okay, one by one we are unloading. Okay, one by one we can't do everything one. Okay. So again this one. First confirm this one. Okay. Then move to the staging area. So I'm unloading now. Okay. Into the staging area now. Okay, that's done it. And again list it. See, this is one. First one is all the three options completed because this is completed. Next one. Okay, this is what I'm trying to unload it now. Second one, scan it, enter it, then confirm the unloading task into staging area, same area. Okay, because I'm unloading into the inbound staging area. Okay, once we have done it, I'm going to check the monitor how it's behaving, guys. Okay, how it's behaving. Monitor. Sorry. Delivery. Can use several options, right? Either you can use delivery, whether you can use ASN, whether you can use logistic delivery, anything you can use. Inbound delivery. So we see now warehouse order. Okay. So system is almost splitting the queues because we are based on this process type we have done it. So handling unit is there. We're handling units. The warehouse task is there. You just check it now, how it is behaving now. See, both we unloaded. See this IBD one, storage process step is process is direct, DRP directly, and both is the system is proposed for us is it's moving to the VAS work center. Okay, that way as per the our design is now. Okay, both HUs you have unloaded. Both you are moving to the VAS work center now. Okay, both VAS. So it's not a deconsolidation. Okay, so just you confirm now. Confirm in the background. Okay, after VAS only system will do that. Okay, this is not a deconsolidation, right? Because we can trigger the warehouse task. Okay, from the VAS work center. Okay, what I will do, I will log into the VAS work center now. Okay, you copy this 605 because there is no waiting concept here. Now /n SAWM VAS EXP. Okay, EXPC. Okay, sorry. Correct. VAS EXEC. So now I will give a warehouse request so that is easy on the VADP. So VA work center. Let me select VADP. So this is what we have. So we will perform the VAS. Okay, as we discussed last time is okay labeling. Okay, first of all, what you have to do, we need to do some activities. Start this one. Then we have to print the labels. Okay, print the labels. Print the product labels. What I want to do here was product label, because I got this product, new product from the supplier. I got this product from the direct pre-and product, but with the HU, this HU does not have any labels, product labels. The product labels does not have anything on that. As of now, only HU is there. But I need to open that product. Okay, that means physical activities. Somebody open this packing one. Okay, and then print the product label. As I said, product label looks like something like this. Product name. Okay, and a barcode. Okay, and a batch or serial number, something like this, or company logo or something like that. So this is like this rectangular one. So you can always print it. So where we can do this label all the things, okay? And the pack specs, while we have done it, as of now done pack specs, we can create even auxiliary as a for labeling purpose. Okay, we can add for labeling also. One more under the pack specs, we have defined auxiliaries packing material, and also we can create a label also, another packaging material as a label, so that we can print the label. Okay, this label system automatically generate the label, and with a hologram label kind of thing. Okay, is like a hologram, like a label where is the paper is very, very good, so that when you go to the any grocery center nowadays, we have even what to say, when you buy something, they will print it. That printer, very, very small printer, so similar like this. Okay, they will put a roll it, they will print with different material, different print material with hologram symbol, everything. So they will add into the product. That is the job of this one. Okay, so now you need to start it. Okay, once you do the all printing, all activities, let's just say end variants. Okay? So this is the completed. Same thing for other one, and start it and end variants. Okay, second one start, and then when is the end variants. So both you have done it. Now we will see the how system is going to behave, red zone or something. Okay, I'm going to trigger this one now. This product is direct product. We already put a control indicator. It should go to mesh second floor. Let's go and trigger. See, now I'm going to trigger from here now. Trigger from here. That means you are creating the warehouse task. Okay, it's already completed, am I right? So that's what is it behaves. So I'm going to put a change again. C, change C, then come back, trigger second one. Okay, trigger second one also. Okay. We see that nothing happened here. Now warehouse task is created. Just I will refresh now. Sometime it is not created. Both is not going, because after that you should go to the IB03, IBD3, right? That's where we anticipated. At least direct product should go to that location. You've done anything? Okay. Just a minute. STS has done it. Just I'm going to check STS criteria. We can see why is the problem. Okay, I can go to the SLG1. Okay, we can see why is any problem here. I can check why system is failed to create the destination one. More. So much. Today date is this much. What we have done, guys? So much. Where is that? Come on. Come on. Ah, yeah, this is something here. The 11.6 only. Determination, okay. Okay, this is where we need to see this object, okay. So now you see the warehouse task here. Select this one. Just check it. What is the problem? Q is not defined. If the Q is not defined, that's not a problem. Warehouse task is created. This is the doors and all is happened. Then, yeah, this is the one. Add check something has happened. We need to focus the object to only create a warehouse task, okay? Determination log we don't need. Another one. This one we moved GR staging area to, that's okay. Right? Determination we don't need. And this one also we moved to the location. Okay, this is something is not a problem. Another works and warehouse task. Confirmed. Another warehouse task. Just a minute, guys. Why this many covers is coming, guys? No one trying. I made a big mistake, guys. Okay, it's coming so many people. Okay, it's a my login, right? So username, my username is important. Today date, because we have not done much. Okay, this is what this is the 186.45 we are doing. Okay, now you see, guys. Okay, I made a mistake. What happened is instead of SDLG1, I didn't select my user ID, so we got several logs. Okay, so now you look at this one. Why system is not created? Then we can always analyze from here now. Okay, from the VAS I triggered them, right? So warehouse task. Okay, so what happened? First one, why system is failed to trigger the warehouse task. Okay, search it while no entry found. That means both cases is entry is not found something. Okay, second case also problem search criteria. What happened? Second case 309 direct source storage. This is also system is not found. Both cases are failed. Okay, the product. Okay, what we can do quickly, we'll check the STSS criteria. Okay, SPR1. Okay, even red zone should go means the such criteria should work, right? That's what I want to say. Why it is not picking now? Okay, define search sequence. That's we already know that. That's we have done. It's using same one, not done anything on this one. So with here, STS criteria where we have done is 2710. Okay, each one, second floor we are working. This one, okay, my second floor. That's fine. Then define put away control indicator. That's we know that second floor is there already. Mesh. storage search sequence. Okay, storage subsequence. Then it goes to checks the two locations. If is a put away control indicator, comes to storage search sequence. That sequence searches both first second floor and again is not the red zone. That's fine. Next. I think this sequence we didn't maintain this one. Just I will check this one, guys. So second floor. Oh yes, guys. Okay. Why system is not proposing? Because system is looking 1012, right? So that's what is happening. Okay. So what we could have done is we could have done it 1012 also. Okay. 1012. Okay. What I will do, I'll copy all these things. Okay. All the five locations. Okay. Then I will copy to, and just I will put as a 102 so that because system is a failing to find anything. Okay. That's what we are getting that. Hope you understand. Am I right? Guys, can you hear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the one region is not picking. What we do in real time, right? So we may not do this one. That's what I'm trying to say. Use always this one. Never use storage by irrespective of the process type. System will always look into that. Now you know that one system look into one for same storage bin. If it's not there, system should propose a red zone location. Okay. Now this is what I've done it. Now what I will do, let log is same thing. Okay, the log. Okay, let's we keep the log here. Then I will come back and see. Okay. Now I'm going back to here. Refresh now. Okay. Just I will try to re-trigger now. Okay. Otherwise I will come back again. Because we don't want to create a task. Whereas we should in a position to trigger from here. Okay, let's trigger from here. So it is already, once we have done it, right? It won't allow you to do again re-trigger now. Okay. So what is the best one is to do that. Okay. So 308, we can trigger from the, by product base also we can trigger. Okay. Just you need to always remember, one by one I will trigger. Okay. Because I have already closed the HU from here. So system is not going to allow us again second time. So system expects you to repack again because I don't want to repack because already existing label is there. So what I can do in a real time, same thing, guys. We do that slash in SAP EWM. You can use the ADHU or AD prod is a good option. Okay. AD prod. Okay. Always use the HU. Okay. Select the HU number. You are going to create the warehouse task because if everything is a good from the VAS, you could have triggered, system might have created, but some reason, okay, because of the, we didn't manage it final STSS criteria with the combination of the put away control indicator, warehouse process type with the warehouse process type and the STSS criteria. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up 5 here. Instead of this one, select 1012. As I said, always when you are trying to trigger manual warehouse task, some reason is that because of issues, so you trigger from here. Let's try to create a warehouse task. System should propose for us based on the empty bin concept. Okay, if it's a product 6, create it. Okay, just save it now. Okay, just save it. Okay, the task is created now. Okay, the task is created. Let's repeat for the other one also. Okay, when I will come back again, come back here, check this one warehouse task. Where system is proposed for us? It should go for the empty bin for us. Why is going to the LOSC? Oh, LOSC is built because 8050 we have used them, right? Okay. Okay, it's fine. No worries. Because why LOSC is there? You know that previously we have used this storage type, right? For LOSC.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Okay, that's the reason again LOAD is picking here. Wait checking. But you see this one already B is created. The task is created. Okay, the task is created already. Okay, let's finish this one. I know that I know that this step is coming because LOSC, because previously we have done our deco product. After VAS should go to the LOAD, where we do some weight check before going to move. Okay. So because 850, we have used VAS storage type earlier. Because this were in a LOS criteria, we have used the same thing 8050 after VAS. System is expecting, instead of going to directly my second floor, system is throwing to directly LOAD. Okay. So don't surprise it, because so this way you can understand, something. Okay. Confirm foreground now. So the B status should be open now. See, now it's become now. So from the LOAD is going to the mess. Okay. From the LOAD, I'm going to confirm now. Let's confirm from this one. Okay. Background. So the direct product is working fine. So no issue. Okay. The direct product is going directly to the mesh second floor. But only surprise you have seen is LOAD, because 8050 earlier used for same storage type for VAS Work Center VAS1. Now we are using same storage type for the VAD1. That could be the reason LOAD is picking here. Because if you go back to the configuration LOSC, we said is storage type is 850. Then it should go to the LOAD. Then after that should go to the main location. That's the reason it's picking. Let's go back and see the other one. We will trigger the other product. Okay. Well, red zone is going to or not. We will see that.
Sir, where is maintained that for LOSC, sir, in config?
Yeah. Go back. Okay. Because it's, I thought to discuss later, but because initially we maintained. Okay. Whereas process start. Okay. LOSC. Go back here now. Okay. 2710. Okay, just you see 2710. Now you see mesh second floor, right? So mesh second floor, from the VAS, it should go to the mesh second floor, but through the intermediate point. You understand now? Through intermediate point, LO8 is picking. Okay, that is the reason we wanted to go to directly from here to here, but there is an intermediate point is there, because 850 we have used same storage for the VADM, right? Something direct product, something we have done it. Okay. New work center we have VADP. So even for that also we have used same storage type. That's the reason it's picking from here. Okay. But otherwise no surprises, guys. Okay. So this is what is. So see, intermediate point is in between this. After VAS, it's going to the intermediate point. From intermediate point to this location. Okay. So I will try to pick another one. Okay, this is the one, but this one should go to the red zone. That's what I wanted, expecting now. Okay, it should go for the same thing. I'm going to use a add prod. Okay, then you will see now. Okay, what happens now? Quantity 6. We will trigger instead of 3070. Always use 1022. Okay, 1022. Create it. Oh, not 1022. Sorry. 1012. This time definitely should go to the red zone, guys. Okay. Create it. So wildcard is not there, but it should go, am I right? It should go to red zone, should go that. That's what I'm wondering. Why is not going to red zone? Just I'm going STS criteria one more time, guys. Okay. Course reset. Just I'm trying to see. What's that? It should land there now. Okay. Still system is not picking that. Okay. Why? Okay. What I will do, I will create one entry 2710. No put away control indicator, no process type determination indicator, nothing. Just I will use the STSS criteria. But still this way, okay. Second floor. Just I'm going to try to do that. That means nothing is there, because system is looking put away control indicator, right? So our why is not proposed for us, because we saying that the configuration we said put away control indicator, measure second floor. Okay, measure second floor we put a warehouse process is a 1012. Then always its system is trying to look this one. Okay, what I want to do now, I wanted to put a empty way, so that because this put away control indicator, it picks from the product, right? It picks on the product. Product 6 we have already assigned. Then product 7, you tell me product 7, we have not assigned that. Then how come system is going to think if nothing is to look into that? Then what is the system is? You put a warehouse, don't put anything. Then we see that how it behaves now. No warehouse process type, then system should go to mesh second floor. Okay. You got it, guys? Okay. So now this is where I'm not going to put anything, no put away control. So system go to the mesh second floor, mesh second floor search criteria. Under that, it should go to the red zone in a sequential way. Okay.
Sir, we can assign WPT, right, sir? For
no, why you want to assign WPT? Irrespective of WPT, no matter it is for me. So system should do like that. Okay. I could assign for this one, even repeated for other case also. Okay. I might have assigned not only this case, mesh, even mesh ground floor. Okay. And also cover mesh first floor. And also go on wide aisle pick face. See, red zone I'm not going to give here now. Okay, I'm going to give red zone under the existing SCS. That's what I want to try to do that. Okay. Okay, so now what happens now? Okay, see the logic you need to understand, guys. Okay, now system says the product we have a 07 product, direct product, no PWCI. That means no PWCI we have now. When no PWI, system will always come back and check, is there any such criteria we have? Okay, STSS. Because put away control indicator is not then you see that we have no put away indicator for this warehouse. No, then what is my relevant one? Is there anything existing for me? Then system checks mesh second floor. Okay, then it checks that now. And because it is there, then it may go, it may propose for this one also. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Trying to think, guys. Okay. Okay. Let's we just do this one, guys. Okay. Mesh second floor. Then after that, we will assign. Okay. Then we'll work out this first. Okay. Because as I said, right, real time also we do a lot of tests, It may not be overnight, everything we do that. Okay, just we go for this case. Okay, let's go back and again, you already assigned now. This is empty. Why is empty? Just remove that. Save it. Okay, I'm going to check once again. Okay, so for us, empty, this is the empty case. You go mesh second floor. Okay. Go to the, again, we will trigger to the, now we can't do, right? Same thing, better. What we have to do is, you need to come out completely that screen, again add prod. Okay, again you can. Real time, you don't, one time you enter it, it records that previous number. So you need not do anything. Now, so we'll see. Now system should go to the red zone. It should propose whatever maybe it should propose. Okay. But it's a good actually, because so that you're understanding one by one also. Okay. Now 10, I'm going to put a 1012. This is no problem. Okay. Then create it. See, now the system is picking up, right? See, no problem now, no error. But where is the proposed? That's where question mark now. Okay, we need to see that. Where it is proposed. Is it proposed main bins or is it proposed for the red zone? That's where we need to see now. Okay. I don't know whether red zone is working or control indicator is not there. Okay, let's see where it is proposing. Okay, I will go back and see. Okay. Okay. This is also going to the main location, guys. Okay, because we selected that way STSS. Then what we could have done it. Okay. But this is also going same location. What I will do, I will cancel both cases. Okay. Okay. But I don't want to behave like this. Okay. Both I cancel now because I don't want to behave now. Going back to this storage S criteria, this one. 2710. Where we have mesh second floor, all the RZM, right? What I will do, and the second one, I will delete this one. Okay. What I will do, define STSS as the red zone one. Okay. Okay. What I will do, copying. This is the one is RZ27. RZ27 as a RZ27 because I don't want to go there again once again. So this is the STSS criteria I maintain RZ27. Then assign storage type to RZ27. Okay, I will go to new entries 2710. Okay, so now STSS is RZ27. Go for again RZ27. Okay, that's what we want to do. Okay. Save it. Come back. Now, so system always no put away control indicator. We are not going to because that's where we don't want to put away control indicator, right? So 270 empty one, whichever the empty one now, this one I'm going to assign is RZ27 now. Okay, so that any product, the product, if is a no put away control indicator, then it should go to the red zone area. Now we have already assigned STS everything, right? Okay, so I created STSS as a separate RZ27. I'll repeat once again, guys. RZ27. Okay. Then assigned next step in I assigned storage type to STSS. That means 2710 R27. Okay. Assigned is a 1-to-1 relation. RZ is 27. Then finally, no put away control indicator. If is a no any product, that product does not have any control indicators. Okay, does not have any put away control indicator. So to go to the red zone location. Okay, that's what I want to say. And now we go back again. Again, I'm going to add prod because I canceled the warehouse task. Right? Let's we re-trigger again. Okay. I copy directly this HU number, whatever the 9 HU number. Okay. 1012 and then 6 quantity. Now you try to see what happened now. See now again is a proposed now. This time you need to see that whether system is proposed red zone or direct bin. That's where you need to see that how it's behave now. Okay, I'm going to refresh now. You see, guys. Okay, you tell me, guys, now where it's going now. It's going to the red zone now. See that? It's going to the red zone now. Because the product we maintain, the DP, this is a direct 7 product. The product will not set up any put away control indicators. Okay, no put away control indicators. See, no put away control indicators. If it's a no put away control indicators, then the product as soon as the VAS, that means we do the labeling activities. Once you label it, then system is not going to propose any bin. Okay, then it should land into the red zone area. Okay, that's called red zone. See, now it's the landing red zone area. Now you say that how you are going to fix this one. Okay, how you are going to fix this? Because the red zone is there. First, we need to confirm the red zone, guys. Okay, you need to move to the red zone now. Okay, where is it in real time here? From the VAS, now this HU, we are going to move to the red zone area now. Okay, what do you do now? You will change all the You verify that is there a product control, is there any pack specs defined, all the you check it now here. After checking from there, you will trigger from there to the direct location. Okay. We'll see how it's going to behave now. Okay. Few minutes we can close, guys. Okay. So now, so we need to confirm that warehouse task because you need to move to the stock to the red zone location, confirm it. Okay. Now is the confirm now. So you need to log into the, you need to copy this HU. You need to log into the work center now. Okay. So what do you have to do? This product is a problem now. You know that this product is a problem. Then imagine real time. Imagine real time. How many HUs you will get it? How many receive happen at daily basis? Can you remember? Can you do all the things? So we check it. Okay, we check everything. One dedicated resource is there. That resource will verify is there any controls is there. So I'm going to say the mezzanine second floor now. Okay, now I'm going to change the mezzanine second floor because I see that some controls not there. Okay, mezzanine controls not there. Okay, then where I should trigger again from there? From I need to go pack work center, general pack work center. Okay, pack means that is the red zone pack work center. Select the red zone pack work center. So you change the control indicators. That's what you added. Now you should trigger okay, that HU number. Sorry, HU number. What is the HU number? Okay. Now you moved now from the red zone. You are going to trigger the warehouse task now. Okay. From the red zone. Okay. If I select the product. Okay. It is a detailed one. It should come here, direct to order. One second, I'm trying to see that something I'm trying to, okay. Fine. So now we need to select again re-trigger from. You can't re-trigger this one. It's fine. From the red zone also we can trigger, but because what happened is we didn't select any storage process, right? Storage steps like IB01. That's what I've been telling. IB01. If our IB01 is there, we could have some kind of flag here. We can trigger from here only directly. Okay. So that's what I told you. When I set up a red zone work center, I know that I'm tempted to assign is after unloading IB01 there. But I didn't do that because I want to do this case first. Okay. So what we can go, once you have moved red zone now, I'm going to product now because you have a provision to look into all these, the products, everything real time now. Okay. I will trigger from here now. So system should, because we update them, right? So system should trigger task for us now. Okay. 1012.
Sir, are we not going to use in the work center? Why we are coming back here?
Red zone, why? Because you in a real time, how many you will get it? Okay. Do you have a time to you look into VAS? The hundreds of things you receive it on daily basis. Okay. Immediately system divert red zone, then it will go to the red zone. Then some people will dedicate resource will going to look into that one. It's a product master issue, a pack spec issue. That person will take care. He will re-trigger. He will reprocess everything. Okay. Now you come back and see here. Okay. Because why is we anticipated? You tell me now. You tell me why we are doing for the red zone. Because we have seen is we have noticed that product is not maintained the way put away control indicator. That a brand new product you have received it, or something like some people have missed the put away control indicator, or some occasion the product you have received it, but is a triple size of the mezzanine storage location, weights and dims also. So even that case also it will automatically propose to the red zone because system checks existing bins. It will come back saying that nothing is there. Then system look into other location and obviously it go to the red zone. Then it go to the red zone. From the under the red zone, you can split into 3 HUs. Again, you can create the warehouse task. Then move the final location. Now what we have done is we have not done any repack. We have modified the product. because we have a provision to look into that one. As you said, one case is easy because hundreds of things is flopping there is a very difficult. So even warehouse operator is not his job to look into what is the problem. His job is, if it's working, he will do. If not working, whatever system is driving, he will put into the red zone. Somebody's dedicated resource, he will look into it, then he will take care and he will do the final. See, now finally you end up is the red zone, system propose measurement. After the red zone, after updating the product master, okay, then you need to confirm in the background. Okay, this is the another case. But as I said, we can also connect after unloading. Instead of going to the WAS work center, we can always system, once unloading happened, we should divert to the direct red zone. That is also possibilities there. Okay. Maybe next session I will stop now. Okay. Maybe next session we may do some few 10-15 minutes. Then we will close this inbound completely. Then we will do the rest. Yeah. I know somebody is asked me, either I think Sekhar or somebody. Sekhar, you wanted to do some PI, am I right?
No, sir, I did not ask. I did not. I think someone like
Ramesh or somebody else.
somebody asked.
Sekhar.
Pankaj or some Pankaj, I think.
No, somebody else. Okay.
He has not joined today.
Yeah. Okay, I will stop now, but I can explain you very is a few minute job. Okay, so it's not a problem. Okay.
Sir, then just one question. You told that the IB01 should have been assigned, right? During unloading, from unloading to red zone.
Yeah. That is
Okay.
also possibility. So
Okay.
because system look into that one, but again we have to tweak the config. You understand, right? See, at the end of the search criteria, you might have seen that I put something wantedly. Then after that, how it changed it systematically one by one. Now you know that how it behaves. Imagine if I've done it everything, even I could not understand a lot of things now. Now you understand that we tried different way, but it's not working. Again, we have done it different way.
Okay.
Typically,
Sir,
what happened, as I said, because I try to add within the same search criteria, then it is going to the back to the again search criteria. So I don't want to go for that case. So this is a good way you can land up in the product. With any issues, it will land up there. Even weight problems or exceeded the weight limit. So to go to the red zone. From the red zone, we can always manage the things. Okay, we can split into HUs everything. Okay. Why I put a labeling? Because we can perform labeling activities there. But you can do that, but WAS may not be all the time is the job. Okay, red zone is the good option. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, you can also try IB01 there and you try to do that. Okay.
Sir, I have a question, sir. In STSS, you have changed the location of STSS from MES second floor to RZ27. So, but the sequence is not working, or is it not the right way to go?
Because this product we try to do that. This product, what happened is our expectation should go to the red zone because the product we didn't maintain the product control indicators, right?
Correct, sir. So can we do it in the sequence way for a MES second floor, or we need to create a new STSS for RJ27?
That's right. For RZ, I created one STSS so that irrespective of the no put away control indicator, any product no put away control indicator, it directly go to the red zone. Okay, after advice. Okay, that's what I try to keep here now. Okay, I wanted to make sure that it should happen, that it should trigger that so it should trigger directly there. Okay, that's what I created. Two products. One product is working as it is. Okay, it should go to the correct location. But LOS is there because that 850 we have used earlier. That's what is triggered. Don't worry about it. But second product, no, don't put any put away control indicators, and then you maintain my config. Okay, that red zone one. Okay, empty one. You keep as it is. Whatever you have earlier, you keep it as it is. only one red zone, you create even STSS. Okay, assign the red zone to STSS. Then you maintain final configuration warehouse without anything STSS. Okay, that's 3 steps. Okay. And then create STSS, assign STSS red zone, then assign warehouse process at the STSS. No put away control indicator. Then system should always propose as there. Okay, even if it's a weight issues, anything you can do that. Next time, what you can do, you guys can do, you try to increase the quantity. Instead of 6, go for 1,000 quantity. Okay, go for 1,000 quantity. Say, see the behavior, how it behaves, the whether it is going to direct red zone after that. Okay, go for that. Okay, this is a just quantity is a okay, is a put away control indicator issue happened. Then what you can do next time, put the put away control indicator, this product as a second floor. What you can do, increase the quantity to the overweight, maybe 1,000 quantity there. So from the then system proposed the red zone. From there you can always split the some limited one. Okay, that then you can create as many as possible to accommodate each bin. Okay, so maybe 100 like that. Then you can create a warehouse task. So that means 100 HUs will be created. 10 HUs will be created or 20 HUs will be created. Okay. From the red zone, you can create. From the red zone, you can do repacking. Okay. So as I said, right, you can always because typically we do after unloading, it should always go to the red zone. That's what we do that. Okay. But I will explain that next step also how we can do that one. Okay. But this one is after VAS. This is one business case. After VAS, how it should happen. Even after unloading, you can also do that. Okay. Try to think. Okay. Try to think how we can do, what will happen after that. System is going to the next level VAS. Then how can I divert to the red zone there? That means after unloading, because it's going to the VAS, am I right? VAD1. Okay. VAD1 is going, right? So we can always suggest even red zone also. Okay. That's where you need to think like how I can select, I can manage it such a way that it should go to the red zone directly there. Okay. But system should check that what are indicators. Otherwise, how do you know that that's going to happen? Okay, guys, I'll stop now. Okay, try to do this scenario, and what you can do, combine it all together into everything. Then you see that real time, like how if you get it all with the PO, with the deconsolidation one, with the one is the direct product, and without any issues. Other product with see that all how it works. Okay. Okay, guys.
sir.
I'll stop. Okay.
Thanks, Naidu.